Now you say this is hole. You need a machine to make the hole, and then use this screw, put in here, and then use a hammer to put this screw inside. The size is M. This size is M12. M12. You get a hole the same size like 12 holes, and then use this screw, a hammer, and then to make inside. Usually you put like 3 holes is enough. 1, 2, 3 is enough. This one no need. The capacitor, this one striking. 这个也不用吧？This no need. This machine must need it 4 sides. This side, and this side, and also here must be put inside, and also here, and here if you have. And this is accumulate 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this no need. This is active water tank, no need. This is accumulate, must be needed. And this one, you just put 2 sides is okay, 2 angle. This size, that side is enough, because this and this must be 3, 1, 2, 3, or 4 according to your need. Usually we put in 4 angles, and also here 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4 according to you. This one we usually put 3 is okay, or 2 angle. This 4 must be 4, and this is a capacitance. 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and also here 1, 2, 3, 4, all sides, and also this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the whole machine must be on one production line. Later we will be sending the cable extrusion lines. For one line, it must be all cables should be on one line. One line should be on one level, so it must be ensure and then to fix it.